आप सभी का मैथ्स ओलंपियाड चैनल में स्वागत है। नाउ फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ a एंड b if 2 power a minus 2 power b equal to 2016. 2 power a minus 2 power b equal to 2016. It means 2 power a is greater than 2 power b. Now to solve this, multiply and divide by 2 power b. So 2 power b and this 2 power a minus 2 power b upon में 2 power b equal to 2016. This way 2 power b and 2 power a upon 2 power b minus 2 power b upon में 2 power b equal to 2016. So this way 2 power b. अब इसे प्रॉपर्टी यूज किए में 2 power, now we write 2 power a minus b and 2 power b cancel, 1 equal to 2016. Now we use the property a power m upon a power n equal to a power m minus n. Now 2 is a even number, 2 is even number. So 2 power a is also even and 2 power a minus b is also even number. So 2 power a minus b minus 1 is odd. Now factorize 2016. अब 2016 के हम फैक्टर लिखेंगे यहाँ पर, तो फैक्टर, सो दिस वी कैन राइट 2 पावर b, 2 पावर a minus b minus 1 and 2016 this we can write 4 into 504. Now again this 504 can be written as 4 into 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 and 4 6 ja 24. And this also can be written as 4 into 4 into 2 into 63. And this on the left hand side 2 power b and 2 power a minus b minus 1. So 2 power b and 2 power a minus b minus 1. This 2 power 4 can be written as 2 power 2 and 2 power 2 into 2 power 1 into 63. हम होगी 2 power b, 2 power a minus b minus 1 equal to 2 power 2 plus 2 plus 1 5 into 63. 63 odd and 2 power 5 even, and this is the odd and this 2 power b is even. Now equate even and odd numbers. So we write 2 power b, 2 power a minus b minus 1 equal to 2 power 5 into 63. Now equate the even number 2 power b and this side 2 power 5. Base are same, so the power are equal, so b equal to 5. This is the answer value of b. Now we equate odd value 2 power a minus b minus 1 equal to 63. Now adding 1 both side. So we get 2 power a minus b minus 1 plus 1 equal to 63 plus 1. 1 cancel. 2 power a minus b equal to, this is 64 and 2 power a minus b equal to 64 can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 into 2. So this is equal to 2 power 6. So 2 power 6. Now a minus b equal to 6. Now we put the value of B. Put the value of B. So A minus 5 equal to 6. Now A equal to 6 plus 5. So the value of A equal to 11. And B equal to 5. So the answer is B equal to 5 and A equal to 11 is the answer. Now to verify, we put 2 power A minus 2 power B equal to 2016. Now put the value of A and B. So 2 power 11 minus 2 power 5. 2 power 11 can be written as 2 power 10 into 2 minus 2 power 5, and 2 power 10 is 1024 into 2 minus 2 power 5 is 32. अब ये वैल्यू होगी 2048 minus 32, and when we subtract 32 from 2048, then we get 2016, and that is equal to RHS. So this verified. So the value of A is 15 and the value of B is 5 is the answer of this problem of A.